Good afternoon. So today I'm gonna have my hair done. I'm gonna have a frontal installation with curls, and I'm so excited. This is literally for my trip to Egypt, so it's like a maintenance preparation basically. I had my facial done, I had my nails done, I had my wax done. It's only my hair. I got my little afro bun now, but it's only my hair missing and my lashes, so I'm gonna have my lashes done tomorrow. I'm also gonna vlog that for you guys, and I can't wait for you to see it. Honestly, I'm so excited for this hairstyle. I have created a hair and nails calendar. Let me even show you my calendar, and I am meant to do this hairstyle today and this hairstyle towards the end of the month. But yeah, I'm selling this digital product on the link in my bio. Yeah, and also let me show you my Egypt itinerary. So this is where I'm going, and I made like a, you know, with the group. It's me and my friend, and flights, accommodation, and this is like what we're gonna do for 5 days, the airport ideas, outfits, dinner, blah blah blah. Alright, so I'm more ready to go. Oh, my bag. Forget my bag. I might have to. Let me give it. Okay, so I need to call a taxi now. The place is so far. The place is literally like 30 minutes away from my house. But this is what we do to look pretty. Small TikTok is as far as I can go. Look, you think her hair brown and curly. She love the way my ride shine and pearly. City boys that she fine and pretty, and the country boys that she fine and pretty. My pockets think it's green as curry, and the ladies know as soon as they see my jewelry. If being fresh to death is a crime, I think it's time for me to see the jury. That's they on the grind. Hustle like me is hard to find. I ain't really impressed. That's unless it's about some dollars. Really no need to call you fine. Know you be hearing that all the time. Watching you do your step, yep, it's going down. So my camera died at some point of the video. I don't know the last part of the recording, but this is the hair done. I love the hair, literally, guys. It's so amazing. I think I showed you what I wanted it to look, so I'm pretty happy with the result. In my vision board, she had like baby hair coming from here to here. I didn't want that because I'm not a baby hair person, so for me that was way too much. But I'm really happy with the result. And tomorrow I'm doing my lashes, so honestly very excited, guys.
I just wanna take you there.
We're ready to go. So before I forget anything, let me put some perfume on. I always forget to put perfume. Gosh, which one should I wear today? Jimmy Choo, I really love it. Lady, I feel like it's one of my faves. I would literally wear it almost every day. So let's go for something different. This is Oud from Dubai. I actually love it. It's very elegant. It even says it here, elegant. Alright, I'm gonna go with Gucci. Yeah, I'm going with Gucci. Just couple spray anyway. All ready to go. We're literally wearing random tracksuit with New Balances and my puffy jacket from TikTok. They gifted me this jacket, guys, and it's so warm and comfy. I love it so much. Just at Tim Horton trying to get some breakfast. I've never literally ate in here before, so I'm just gonna see what they have. Can I get the sausage eggo bagel? I don't know which sauce, probably ketchup.
Yes, 4167. I think one large latte and a medium.
Just entered H&M. It's actually so quiet. I love it like that. I love it when it's not busy and I can just do my shopping in peace. if I have to be honest, I don't really need anything. I just came here. But I don't really need to buy anything. And I don't want to buy anything because I've spent so much money for this holiday. I'm not gonna buy anything. Let me just leave. I'm literally in Boots now, so I can finally buy the stuff that I need to travel. I think I need some wipes, and I might need some repellent. I might need some repellent, and I don't know what else. I feel like I'll just look around and they literally have my favorite skincare brand. I love Anua, honestly. I do have this one. It's amazing, guys. And I do have, no, I've got this one and this one. Love it. So I've done my research and I need to get the sunscreen for holiday. I need the Korean sunscreen. I've seen it on TikTok. I think it works and it doesn't leave any white cast, so I'm gonna try it and see if I like it or not. And because I have the pore deep cleaning, I'm gonna have the cleansing oil so that I can have glass skin. Let's see if it works. I just got back home and she's coming in around 10 minutes, so I need to set up the camera with the tripod and I need to clean. Like, I left my room a mess, so So this is me with my lashes done. I love them so much, honestly. Brava.
I'm so excited.
Vai che c'è freddo.
Inedito.
No, qua adesso.
Ah.
Alright guys, it's literally time for me to pack. It's gonna take me a while because I also need to weight all the luggages, and so yeah, wish me luck. Alright guys, all done for the luggages. I'm finally done. I took over an hour, but I'm glad I'm just finished, honestly. I'm so tired. And yeah, that's it. This is the end of the vlog. and this is the end of the vlog. I'll see you guys in my next one where I'm actually gonna be in Egypt. Make sure you subscribe, follow me, and like this video.